Here's how you schedule a post in a Facebook group, which is a newer feature that Facebook has launched. Of course, maybe by the time you are watching this, it's not quite as new. Basically, just go to the create a post button. We haven't really gone through this much, but you can see all the different options for creating posts. You can just do a text post. You could add photo and video. Just click that button to choose to add photos or videos. You can start a live video just by clicking this button, which will access your camera. Over here on the right hand side, you can choose your input settings for your camera and your audio. You can also write some text here before you go live, and then just click this button down here to go live. It's pretty simple. Or there's other options such as adding files, selling something, doing a recommendation, which shows up as a recommendation, creating a doc, or an entire photo album. Within your regular posts, you can do things like add a feeling, add a check-in, do a poll, which is great for surveying your audience, or add representative info if you're trying to make some sort of change and you want to contact your local representative. Here's an example of what I would schedule though, because I do a weekly podcast, and each week I want to launch it on Monday, but I don't want to be there Monday morning at 3 a.m. Eastern time writing out my post. That would be really bad. So I can schedule it. I'll write my post as normal. So it's build an online course website that works with Matt Fussell, my guest. So I include this listen to OCM 32. This is the call to action for the podcast. And then I'll add something to try to increase engagement. I ask, what tips do you have for building websites to sell online courses? Share your website and a tip below. So I'm allowing people in this post to post their website, which is a little promotional, but that's okay sometimes. But it will increase engagement, and I'm allowing them to do that when they give back, when they give a tip. The image that popped up is not the image that I want for this post. And that's because it's taking it from Online Course Masters. What I'll do is click photo video, and I'll add the actual image for this podcast. Now we have the right photo that appears for this blog article. Okay, so now it's time to actually schedule it. Instead of clicking this post button right here, we got this announcement, it's new, we can click here to schedule the post. Make sure that you do everything here first. You can't always go back and edit, but the first time I did this, I didn't complete my post, and I clicked this, and I'm thinking, oh, well, yeah, I can set my date. So this is going to be Monday the 14th at 3:30 a.m. And I'm going to schedule it, and I can go back and edit it right now. Oh, wait, no, it's gone. We can go back and edit. Once you start scheduling posts, you can click this right here. It'll show you that you have scheduled posts. And then you can see your scheduled posts, and we can click this drop down to edit the post. But if you want to be more efficient, just go ahead and create your whole post so you don't have to come back and edit it. That's basically how you edit posts, and a couple other quick tips for creating other types of posts within your groups.